We're looking at a TM Deluxe truck bed. It's a utility body, and it's got all the extra wrappings on it, the aluminum tread plate and so forth. It's a real good looking bed for a utility body. It's got the DOT lighting up there. It's got an extra work light in the middle, all LED. Nice large compartments, gas shock operated, so it holds the door firmly in place. There are rails to put your shelves on. You can get drawers for these, and that's a real nice option to get. It's got the automotive style gasket, which is right there all the way around, and it has this T-handle, which is really nice. It firmly closes it, and when you close it, when you watch the latch, when you actuate the latch, it draws it in. You see that? And pulls the door shut even a little bit tighter. And they're easy to use, and they're lockable. Here's your lock. There's your gas pocket, and extra place if you have def. Beautiful feeling, strong and solid. If you look, they have the extra structure here on the inside that makes the door real stiff, real stiff. And you can see the latch structure in there. It's a double latch, so it's not just one but two that hold it in place. One handle, two latches. It's firm, I'll tell you. Here's the back compartment. It's got the same compartments on the other side as well. Here's your back compartment. Turn, lock in place. It's nice. And then it's got the LED running lights, LED tail turn and brake lights, and also reverse lights. Also work lights that are in the cast aluminum pockets. This particular one has a tailgate, and it folds down and is flush with the floor. So like if you're hauling plywood or something, it's real simple, and just put this guy up, and there you go. Also, what's really neat is like if you have shovels or whatever, this is called the possum belly. It's just another toolbox below, and it's really slick. It goes way back there. See that? The full length of the bed. Even though it does have a gooseneck hitch, but it slips under there and you can carry long things. And then it's got this nice latch, and it's lockable as well. And your five-way and 7-way connector. 18,000 pound capacity receiver hitch, and your gooseneck, which is underneath that door, is capable of 30,000 pounds. So this bed is just a real workhorse. It's got the they call it Tex armor, and CM undercoats the powder coat first, and then they coat it with the top coat, the black powder coat. And it's a real robust system for years of good looking and not much corrosion on your bed. So if you're interested in one of these truck beds, we've got a lot of them. And whether it's a utility bed like this, or a simple bed, or a real nice skirted one like that, or the list goes on and on, we've got a lot in stock here. But this particular one is just a real nice workhorse. If you're looking for one, we've got one for you. Thanks for watching.